Now, what are the environmental influences? अभी तक हमने क्या देखा? The influence on the baby boy in biological influence means biologically growth कैसा होता है और biologically hazards क्या होते हैं. Teratogene is a hazard. Teratogene creates lots of problem with the body, and biologically the growth takes place normally in 3 stages: zygotic stage, embryonic stage and fetus stage. But at the same time, the environment is also affecting the baby boy or baby girl in the womb of the mother. Means environment has impact on embryo also, fetus also and zygote also. Now what is said? Environment does indeed begin to influence the individual as soon as he or she is conceived. Means the effect of environment begins from conception itself. Means as the sperm cell penetrates to eggs and ovule is formed, the environment start impacting the life. Now the impact can be positive and impact can be negative. As the zygote undergoes mitosis, the mitosis meaning the cell division, the new cell themselves become part of the mother's environment, and through their particular physical and chemical influence, they guide and control the development of the further new cells. So this is very interesting paragraph which I have observed, that what it says that cell division takes place in the fetus or in an embryo or in a zygotic condition. Cell division takes place, but the entire fetus, the entire baby boy or baby girl is inside the womb of the mother. So there are many substances which is there in the body of the mother. It's not only substances, in addition to that, the psychological state of mind of the mother also influences the each and every cell when cell division is taking place. Because for cell division, the entire power is taken from the mother. Whatever the nourishment is required, because one cell divides into 2 cells, so size increases, weight increases. So size and weight increases when some material is taken from the mother, because that time the infant or the embryo do not have a capacity to produce their own food, and they don't get any food from external side. So they get all food from the mother through placenta, and umbilical cord is the connection between placenta and the baby boy. So the cell can carry those bad effects. आपको ध्यान में क्या रखना है, उस बच्चे के या उस इन्फेंट के शरीर में जो सेल होती है वो भी उस मदर के बैड इफेक्ट्स को या बैड सब्सटेंसेस को कैरी कर सकती हैं. तो उस समय ये भी सही है कि इफ देयर आर सम गुड इंस्टेंसेस, गुड इवेंट्स एंड गुड स्टोरीज listened by the mother, so it can carried by the boy or baby boy or baby girl. That is the meaning, because all that goes into a cell. That is what is suggested here, and it is very scientific also. इसीलिए गर्भवती महिला को खुश रखने के लिए अभी हिंदी में पता नहीं क्या करते हैं, तो हमारे मराठी में, महाराष्ट्रियन लोगों में पालना होता है। 7वें महीने में उसको झूले पे बुलाते हैं, उसको हार पहनाते, वो क्या क्या करते हैं मुझे एग्जैक्ट
सजाते हैं,
झूला झूलाते हैं उसको।
बेबी शावर
बेबी शावर होता है क्या? हाँ, बेबी शावर। सो ये जो प्रोसेस है, ये प्रोसेस बेसिकली प्रेग्नेंट लेडी को खुश रखने के लिए, हैप्पी रखने के लिए की जाती है। उसका साइंटिफिक रीजन है। देन मदर्स डिसीज। नाउ मदर डिसीज विल हैव अ नेगेटिव इफेक्ट, and as a result of negative effect there can be two adverse phenomena. One is called as stillbirth and second is called as miscarriage. Stillbirth means the death of the baby in the womb of the mother before 20th week, and miscarriage means before 20th week, and if the baby died after 20th week, so that is stillbirth. There are two phenomena, stillbirth and miscarriage. A miscarriage is usually defined as the loss of a baby before 20th week, that is miscarriage, and stillbirth is loss of the baby after 20th week of pregnancy. So till 32 week, stillbirth can be till 32 week. अब ये नाम लिखा है stillbirth, बट है एक्चुअली डेथ, बर्थ नहीं है, बट इसका नाम है stillbirth, बट है एक्चुअली डेथ ऑफ द बेबी। तो ये थोड़ा सा वर्ड ध्यान में रखना। stillbirth पर आपको तीन मार्क का सवाल पूछा जा सकता है। डिस्क्राइब स्टिल बर्थ, राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टिल बर्थ वगैरह वगैरह पूछा जा सकता है। मिसकैरेज पर भी पूछा जा सकता है। देन सेकंड इज ड्रग्स एंड केमिकल्स। एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सटर्नल केमिकल, whether it comes from the medicine or whether it is consumed by a mother, can be dangerous to the baby inside the womb. Any kind of drug, particularly alcohol and tobacco, is highly dangerous, and it has been explained that which drug will have a which effect. Then radiation. In some African tribes, the pregnant women are protected against the sun radiation also, because in some radiation there are harmful rays which can affect the baby inside the womb. And there is another exposure to radiation, that is therapeutic radiation. मान लो कोई थेरेपी कर ली या एक्सरे कर लिया, एक्सरे इज इटसेल्फ अ रेडिएशन। या अभी हमने कोविड में क्या करते थे हम, सीटी स्कैन करते थे। सीटी स्कैन इज ऑल्सो एक्सपोजर टू रेडिएशन। CT scan, X-ray, these are all exposure to radiation, and it is together called as therapeutic radiation. Then abortion.
Sir, 1 minute, can I ask you?
हाँ बोल।
Sir, what is this sonography then? It is a radiation or?
हाँ, yes, it is also a radiation.
Okay, sir. Okay, but it is done very regularly, sir.
हाँ, but
doctors are suggesting
under very much control, and nowadays it is prevented also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Nowadays, doctors are prevented by law unless required. Means if there is a chances of miscarriage, if there is a chances of stillbirth, so in that case sonography is recommended. Otherwise, it is prevented. But people are doing it unlawfully. People are doing it, but they are doing it unlawfully. Unless there is a need, it should not be done. That is what my knowledge is. Am I right, Swati madam?
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah.
Correct, sir.
Yeah. If there is no means, you cannot do sonography only for recognizing the sex of the baby, because in India, baby female or baby girls are aborted. That is the reason. So termination of a pregnancy is possible in case of some adverse effect on the baby girl or the baby boy. There will be no use if the boy will take the birth. The boy will not be able to live the life. In that case, doctor can suggest the abortion for medical reason. Abortion is done for medical reason, not for because the baby is a baby girl. The boy is the baby in the womb is the baby girl. Age of the mother. Higher age. In a higher age of a mother, there are many chances of effect of teratogene. And in a lower age, if reproductive organs are weak, then that is also has an adverse effect on the baby in the womb of the mother. Nutrition and diet, this is well known fact now. If mother is not given appropriate nutrition and the diet according to as doctor suggested or as suggested by the elder, the chances of weak babies, ज्याला आपण malnutrition म्हणतो, न्यूट्रिशन के कारण इंडिया में कितने बच्चों का डेथ होता है इसका स्टैटिस्टिक अवेलेबल है. एंड आई सपोज आउट ऑफ 10, 2 boys or girl are affecting due to malnutrition during the pregnancy. Stress of the mother. This is a psychological factor. It's not only stress. It can be depression, it can be schizoid nature, it can be paranoid nature, it can be OCD, it can be anxiety, it can be phobia. So all kind of psychological phenomena can affect the baby boy in the womb of the mother. Then the last one is the RH incompatible factor. Now RH factor is again a scientific phenomena. If male is RH positive, RH is one kind of protein actually, that is called as Rhodus protein. If that protein is present in the male, means the person is RH positive, and if that is absent in the female means that is negative. So what is suggested that the correct option is RH positive male and RH negative female. RH factor is a protein found in blood. A person having the RH factor in the blood is called as RH positive, whereas that who does not carry this protein in the blood is called as RH negative. Marriage should be avoided between RH negative female and RH positive male. That is what is suggested. So here I will stop.